In this example, we're going to create a simple number guessing game in Python. Python will randomly choose a number between 1 and 100, and we'll try to guess it. Step 1. Import the random module. We start by importing the random module. This module helps Python generate random numbers. Here, I rename it as RD. That's just a shortcut as an alias to make the code easier to type. Step 2. Generate a random number. Now, we create a variable called number. The function randomInteger picks a random integer between 1 and 100, including both ends. Step 3. Create an infinite loop. Next, we start a while true loop. This means the game will keep running forever or until we break it from inside. Step 4. Take the user's guess. Inside the while true loop, we ask the user to type a guess. The input function collects the number from the keyboard. We convert it to an integer with integer function so that we can compare it with our random number. Step 5. Use if, elif, else to check. Inside the while true loop, we ask the user to type a guess. The input function collects the number from the keyboard. We convert it to an integer with integer function so that we can compare it with our random number. If the guess is greater than the random number, Python prints as, try a smaller number. Elif the guess is less than the random number, Python says, try a larger number. Finally, if the guess equals the random number, we print bingo, you won, and use the break statement to exit the loop. That's how the game ends. Let's summarize. We imported the random module. Python chose a random number between 1 and 100. We guessed until we found it. If, elif, and else helped us decide what to print each time. And break stopped the loop when we won. Simple, fun, and interactive. In Python, you'll see that both the while loop and the if statement end with a colon. It might look small, but it's extremely important. The colon in a while loop. In this case, the colon means, as long as this condition stays true, keep running the indented block below. Every time the loop reaches the end of the block, it goes back and checks the condition again. The colon in an if, elif, else statement. The colon tells Python that a new block of code is about to start. In other words, it says, if this condition is true, start executing the following lines. Notice that after every colon, the next line starts with an indentation as usually 4 spaces. This indentation marks the code that belongs to that block. If you forget the colon or forget to indent the next line, Python will show a syntax error because it expects a block of code to follow. Knowledge Club, the bridge to the future.